was I? Private property. These premises are protected by video surveillance. Or is it going to be like the hills have eyes? Coming down the road with a fucking chainsaw and shit. I'm going to pick my bike up and throw it at them. What's going on, everybody? SRT8 Boost, live and direct on the Ducati Hypermotard. I'm just kidding, I'm not actually live, but I just wanted to say that it's like the old radio announcers way back when on the dance music stations, when it'd be like live to air. It'd be like, yeah, we're kicking it live, 103.5 on the wheels of steel, and then they'd say their DJ name and everything, and it's like, yeah. Exciting, you know, gets you going, right? So, good vibes. Woo! Here on this beautiful day, just rocking away on the bike. Huh. Where does that go? That was kind of cool. I'm gonna check it out. Here we go. I totally could have made that. I was just lazy. I like these little private property. Oh, fuck me. Private property. These premises are protected by video surveillance. What the hell's down there? Oh my god, I fucking want to go down there. That's really nervous. So what would be there? Why is it all video surveillance and shit? It's like a CIA black site. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go back up this way. Maybe we'll send a little one here. Oh yeah, look at that, hit it neutral. Can't find it, grind it. Where was I? Now that was interesting. So I did the shift without the clutch there, right? And it went to neutral. Oh, fuck. Seriously? Something else just hit my head. Oh, I think I know what that was. You know what? It must be like a power plant or something, because all the wires go there. Oh, that's so nervous. Stay. That's where I came from. Hey, so many secrets, like right under your nose, man. Interesting stuff. But still, let's go back to that in between first and second shift. What the shit was that about? I shifted it like as if I normally would, except it just went to neutral instead. Maybe I didn't slam it up hard enough. Huh. Weird. weird. C'est la vie. See that? You gotta watch. Fucking every time you see like a Ford Exploder, aka Explorer, I just call them Exploders. Had an old friend that used to say that, and same guy I'm sure you've heard me talk about with the cornfields. Anyways, used to call them Exploders. Ford Exploder. It's pretty funny. Which way are we gonna go here? Oh, let's go see that. What's this? No dumping. Okay, I mean, it's a gravel road, but do we really give a shit? Like, where does this even fucking go? See, I've been meaning to do an episode where, like, at least holy fuck, a few episodes like this. Oh my god, this is like adventure bike territory here. I don't think this is a good idea. My fucking... nice slick tires. I mean, it's okay. It's not that bad. Just curious to see what happens back here. They're just like little properties and shit. Or is it gonna be like the hills have eyes? Be able to get coming down the road with a fucking chainsaw and shit. You don't belong in this neighborhood, boy. I swear to God, if someone comes down and says that to me, I'm gonna pick my bike up and throw it at them. Just because. Oh, okay, that just, alright, so that just... No exit. It's just, yeah, and then, you see, this is where stupid shit happens. It's probably somebody's fucking driveway right here. Probably. Yeah, I'm sure of it. Oh, look, it's a little apple tree. I mean, I gotta watch the bike anyway, so who cares? Oh, they got a lot of damage on that house. Holy sheep shit. Where does this go? Well, I mean, since we're doing dirt roads, maybe we'll just rip back up Dufferin here. Oh yeah, no, this is totally a safe corner here. Oh no, actually it's not bad. I can see a little bit upward where I was gonna pop out before. That was way worse. Oh, this is gonna take a little while, isn't it? Isn't it? Or are we just gonna make it happen like right now? Yeah, we're gonna make it happen. Let's fucking do it. I think we might stand for this one, folks. Yeah, we're gonna stand. We're gonna treat it like dirt bike guy. Oh yeah. This guy's working away. There's nothing like the sound of nice sharp rocks kind of, you know, just fucking pushing their way into your nice slick rubber. Whose idea was this again? Looked like a baby seat over there. Oh, that's such a nice hill. Yeah, this is that turn I used to fucking... That was my Audi years ago. I used to just send it around this turn, like drift the shit out of it. Here I am putt-putting with my motorcycle now. Look at this. I mean, to be fair, I don't want to... that's bumpy. I also don't want to drop this bike. That just wouldn't be cool. What's this guy doing? Alright, well that's weird. He had the blind glasses on, like the big huge glasses, like as if to let people know that you can't see shit, and he just jumped out of the driver's seat. See? Like I said, the hills have eyes. Except in his case, probably not. God, that's terrible. Yeah, not making fun of him, but I'm just like, how is he driving? You know, if they paved that road back there, like look at these, look how nice these turns would be, right? Whee! Hey, you know what? Why don't we head down this way for old time's sake? 19th side road. Remember, this is the only road technically that has any kind of a twisty aspect to it. Remember, I was like so excited when I actually went down this road for the first time. It really is a beautiful, nice road with all the cool canopy trees everywhere. And at this time of the day, there's not really anybody driving around, so that's kind of a plus. Oh, they're going to put a camera here. Well, because, you know, God forbid we just had one road that you could still kind of have some fun on without any fun being taken away. Because God forbid. Right? I wonder where they're going to put the stupid thing. Yeah, but you know what, guys and girls up north, they don't stand for shit like that. They just come, they just cut the damn thing down and say, fuck you. Which I totally respect. S cookie turn. Right to a green light. How nice is that? I usually pop out at that stop sign right there. It was just that little side street that was over there before. Or is. Either way. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to cut it over here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know, leave me a nice like. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to like again and subscribe. And yeah, I am at a loss for words. We're turning this way. All right, guys. Take care and brush your hair.